Let's be honest, data entry can be a pain in the ass, right? I'm going to show you a quick couple ways that we can make it super easy and you don't have to do so much work. We're going to make Excel work for you. Let's get to it. So I've got an example right here, and it's just a little data entry form. It's collecting information to get people onto a template that I can then use for a mailing list or calling list or whatever it may be, whatever you need it to be. But I wanted to show you that I can enter a phone number, if I can enter it, without hitting any dashes or the parentheses. And when I hit tab, Excel automatically puts that in there, allowing me to not have to do the extra keystrokes, move my hands. I can just enter numbers. So that's an awesome thing. It also does that for Social Security numbers. Another feature that you can use is if you have a certain menu of items that you want somebody to pick from, you can create a drop-down box that will automatically pull those information and they can just click on it. So I can just click on whatever I want to do. And then I can just click and enter to the data. Now this one actually clears the data for me because typically I'm doing somebody new every time. But I want to show you another one, that this one is a time entering sheet, and it's just a bunch of data in here, and I just have testing here for my notes, and I'm going to transfer this to the table, and it just went. Okay, so now, whoops, all of a sudden I'm not working. There we go. So it just went to the table. Now if I try to do that again, it's telling me the entry has already been transferred. Please update the data. So this one is great for something that if you have multiple items that you want to continuously enter, but maybe you're just changing your hours during the day and what your note was. So I can say this was time tracking, and then I can transfer that to the table. So now when I go to the table, poof, it's all in there. Now these two are just two that I made up, so I'm going to actually delete them. But you can see, oops, I'm filtered, so it's not going to allow me to do that. But that's okay. So I just wanted to show you two ways that you could quickly use Excel to do some different things for you and let it do the work instead of you doing the work, to transfer the data, to make it easy. So if you would like to reach out to me, you can reach me at bit.ly/Excel support for a free 15-minute conversation. Maybe we can talk about how you want Excel to do more work for you instead of you working Excel. Here's to taking back your time and making you more productive. I'm Tina with Excelling Your Business, the Wizard of Automation.